Hello everyone. First of all, wishing you all a very happy new year. As I promised in my last video, I'm going to start a new series where I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know to clear the Google Cloud Digital Leader certification. So this video is going to be the first one. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what is Google Cloud Digital Leader certification. So let's get started. So the first thing that's definitely comes to your mind is what is Google Cloud Digital Leader certification? To understand that, I will refer the description that is provided by Google Cloud itself. So let's open the description. So as you can see, the Google Cloud Digital Leader certification is a certification which is provided by the Google Cloud. And what they are telling is that it's a certification which should help you to distinguish and evaluate the various capabilities of Google Cloud core products and services and how they can be used to achieve the desired business goal. So basically, it's a very wide spectrum certification, and it covers a lot of Google Cloud core products and how those products can be used in different use cases. That's what this certification is all about. It's a job role independent. So depending on whether you are an architect, you are a developer, or you are a business solution, business architect or a solution architect, this certification is a starting point if you are in your Google Cloud journey. So with that, let's move to the next one. What is what is it? What is the format of this certification? So as you can see, it will be a 90-minute certification. The price is like $99 US. Currently, the certification is provided in two languages, English and Japanese. And the format of the certification, it will be a multiple choice and multiple select type of questions you have. In terms of where you can give the certification, you have two options. Either you can go for online or you can go for on-site proctored. But I think due to the COVID and the pandemic, most of the people are going for the online proctored certification. And the good thing is that there is no prerequisite. As I told you just few minutes back, this is the starting point of your Google Cloud certification journey. So there is basically no prerequisite. Now let's talk about the overview of the Google Cloud Digital Leader certification. For this one, again, I'll go back to the Google Cloud site and show you like what you need to know to clear this certification. As you can see in the exam overview section, you will understand like what is there in the certification. So if you are planning to take the certification, so you need to keep in mind one thing: the syllabus or the exam guide is going to change. So if you are planning to take the exam before January 26, 2022, then this is the exam guide that you need to follow. But after that, or starting from January 26, there is an updated exam guide that you need to follow. So, and both are very much given on the slide on this page. So this is the current exam guide, and this is the exam guide which is effective from January 26, 2022. So if I go with the current exam guide, so basically what they are trying to understand is like, whether do you know the general cloud concept, like different infrastructure, different, traditional infrastructure, public cloud, what is public cloud, what is private cloud, different characteristics of cloud computing, the cloud services model, like the infrastructure as a services, platform as a services, or a software as a services. What are the difference between them? What are the different pros and cons that comes with each of these model? Then it will go to the general Google Cloud knowledge. So the section 1 is like generic cloud concept. Section 2 is it's a little specific to the Google Cloud, like how Google Cloud handle all the general concept from the cloud, right? What is the Google Cloud billing? How you can create, virtual servers? What are the different use model? What is the, discount, like committed use discount and sustained use discount? What is region, zone, like all these things which comes with the Google Cloud. Then section 3 is Google Cloud products and services. Google Cloud comes with a bunch of products, right, for different use cases. So you need to understand at a very high level of all the products, what is their capabilities and what are the different use cases where you need to use those products, right? That's very important. So that's the section 3 is all about. like as you can see, like if you go through that, it will talk about the serverless computing, it will talk about the data management, it will talk about the machine language, artificial intelligence, like everything. Like it's a very wide spectrum certification, right? So you need to really study. And then that's all about these are the 3 sections. So basically, it's a very good certification because it will give you a very strong foundation of your Google Cloud journey. So this is the current exam guide. But if you are planning to take the exam after January 26 or on or starting January 26, this is the exam guide that you need to follow. So the first thing, and it's I like this one because I'm coming from the Salesforce world. So Salesforce certification is all about like this way, like what is the percentage, and then you can know like, okay, this is the section where I need to put more focus. I'm not telling like if a section is having a lesser percentage means you don't need to study. But still, like having this percentage thing on each section, at least which section I need to put more focus, because I'll get most of the questions from that certification, right? From that section. So it's again like introduction to the digital transformation with the Google Cloud. It's approximately 10% of the exam. Then innovation with data and Google Cloud, which is another 30% of the exam. And then the section 3 is like the infrastructure and application modernization with the Google Cloud, which is another 30%. And the last one, I believe, is like the Google Cloud security and operations, which is 30%. So if you can see, these are the 4 sections they have in this certification, right? But if you can see, like it's a very well distributed weightage, right, across all the sections. So basically, if you go with my strategy, section 2, 3 and 4 should be the focus area to clear the certification. Again, I'm not telling that you don't need to study or you don't need to understand the section 1, because this is absolutely important. It's kind of a foundation for section 2, 3 and 4. But in terms of getting number of questions in the certification, section 2, 3 and 4, these are the 3 sections where you'll get most of the questions, right? So and in future videos, I'm going to cover each areas, right? So this is a current exam guide, and this is the exam guide which will be effective from January 26, 2022. Okay, let's understand like how we can clear this Google Cloud Digital certification. What are the different learning paths that's available? So for that, again, let me go to the Google Cloud certification site. This is the learning path they recommend. And if you register for the cloud, like if you go to the cloud.google.com and register for this certification, just log in with your Google ID, you come to this page, and then here you have a follow the learning path. So basically what you can do, you can start preparing. These are the 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the good part is like if you see the latest, the upcoming exam guide, each section is basically a learning path. Like if you see here, like introduction to digital transformation with the Google Cloud, which is 10%, we have a course for that. Innovation with the data and cloud, you have a course for that. Applicant modernization, we have a course. And understanding Google security and operation, we have a course. So basically what is telling, like once you complete all these 4 courses, you should be good enough to understand what are the different products that Google provides for each of these use cases, and it's completely free. So absolutely take advantage of this learning path. And in next couple of weeks, what I'm going to do, I'm going to publish lots of videos, YouTube videos, and my blog post, which will be covering individual Google Cloud products and how you can use that. So my intention is like, understanding the concept is definitely important, but I don't want you guys to just, remember the concept and just, clear the certification. I want you guys to go and really do a hands-on, like, understanding the knowledge by going through the documentation and doing some kind of exercise is like, will make you more confident when you go for the certification. So my plan for the next couple of videos is like, I'm going to focus very less on the concept. I'm not telling like I'll not tell you the concept. Concept is definitely important, but then my focus will be more on like, let's go ahead and do in like, in Google Cloud Platform, for example, how we can really create the virtual machines. Like when you create the virtual machines, I'll show you like what are the different options that you have. So that's the learning path of the Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification. I hope this video will give you an overview of what is Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification, what are the different options and how you can take the certification, what is the learning path, and it will give you a quick overview of the certification. In next couple of weeks, I'm going to publish a lot of videos covering individual products that Google Cloud provides and what are the different use cases for those products, right? And also how you can use those products to solve the actual problems. So stay tuned, and again, wishing you all a very happy new year. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to my blog. The link of the blog is given on the description of this video so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos or blogs. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you, everyone.